These are the new plum trees. There's a plum tree. This tree is about 12 years old. It's got some good peaches. Real good peaches. Better than them non-tasting ones at the store. That's for sure. Can't remember what that one's called. Cottonwood airplane something. But that's my scrap metal cage. I'm not really that proud of that one. I did build that part right there. I built that used to be for a dog house, which is part of their coop. But that's like, yeah, that's where they like to hang out a lot. So there, yeah, there's a few in there. They got some good, probably the best eggs in town. That's a new addition. New addition. I did make that. I did put that together and build that new little coop. They seem to like it. But today, we found a lost pygmy goat. I don't know what to do with that thing. Trying to find the owner. Yeah. I don't know what to do with you. Yeah, I know you want to get out and eat on my peach trees. I can't have it. Can't have that. There you go. Eating everything in sight. I knew, yeah. I guess we'll get you some mulberry leaves. There's plenty of mulberry out here. None with you. There's plenty of mulberry leaves. I just don't want you eating on my peach trees. I want you eating on my peach trees. I know you tear that up. There's my beautiful peach trees. All right. Yeah, I know you want to follow me around, huh? See if you like the mulberry. Yeah. Yeah, you like that? Yeah, you like that. Mulberry makes good cooking wood too. Had to cut a lot of this out because the power line from the storm last year. I don't want it all up on my power line. We will have problems. I cut this thing down. It just keeps growing back. Keeps growing back. Just keeps growing back. Get to get this goat some food here. There's some more goat. What's up? What's up? You like that mulberry? You didn't eat all that? Yeah, you chomp on that for a while. Anyway, that's the backyard chickens. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't have a name for her. Not sure if somebody's gonna claim her or not. I don't know if I want to keep her or not. But y'all have a blessed day.